I've created a scanner that returns me the stocks that have been the strongest for the longest on the daily charts. I call it my runner scanner, and the main use, not the only use, but the main use of it is for day trading. Well, I wanted a way to, while I'm looking at the intraday chart, be able to sort this scanner by what has made the largest change recently. So I created that custom scan indicator, and I'm going to go ahead and give it to you all in this video. Hit like if you're excited, and let's go. So once again, the point of this custom watch list column is to be able to see what stocks are currently making the strongest move. And of course, it can be applied to any scanner. So any scan of stocks that you are looking at, you'll be able to know, hey, what is currently moving? What should I currently have my eyes on to look for trade opportunities, right? What I did is I based it off of the last hour change. Now, as I jump into the code here, I'm going to also showcase to you how you can make it any time frame. You want to look at the last 5 minutes, the last 7 minutes, however long you want to look at. I'll show you how you can easily change it. But first, let's talk about how you jump in and would create a custom watch list column like this. So I'm going to click on the little cog here on my watch list in my left pane on ThinkorSwim. I'm going to hit customize, and then from the lookup, I'm going to type in custom. And there's something like 24 custom codes here ready for you that are just blank. So if you click into this scroll here and then into the ThinkScript editor, it's just going to say simple moving average. This is just blank, ready for you to take over. Well, I went ahead and took over one of those. I created something called 1 hour change, and here it is. Now, let's talk about this first. Obviously, column name, 1 hour change, fine and dandy. This is your time frame. This by default is set to day. I, obviously, looking for 1 hour change, set mine to 1 hour, and this is step one of how you can really decide any time frame you want to use this on. Maybe you're more of a swing trader and you're running a scanner on a weekly chart, but you want to see what's made the largest daily gain. Run it like that. Maybe you want a smaller time frame, this, that, or the other. What I then did is come down and I'm pulling percent change, and I set my percent change equal to a length of 1 because I want to look at 1 hour. If you wanted to look at a length of 2 hours, you would simply do that, and you can once again apply that across any time frame. If it looks any more complicated, it's just because I slapped this round function on it so that it only returns 2 decimals, and then I added this extra line here to assign the value color. So anything that's above 0, you'll notice is green. Anything 0 or below, you will notice is red. So the rest of it is just sort of for cleanliness sakes, but all the functionality comes from this percent change function and from the correct time frame setup. So let's go over a couple examples of different time frames and how you could use something like this to help make you a better trader. If this custom watch list column or just the idea of custom coded ThinkScript studies sounds interesting to you, you should check out my website, daytradingstrategies.net, where you can access over 40 different ThinkorSwim codes that can easily be imported into your software. And if you use discount code Treyding at checkout, you're going to get access to all of them for only $20. That's less than 50 cents a code. Obviously a ridiculous deal. Link at the top of the description. Go click it now, sign up, and become a better trader today. So let me show you a couple of examples of how you can utilize this indicator in different ways to help make you money in the stock market. So I've now loaded in my runner swing trade scanner, which is very similar to the first scanner that I showed you, except obviously based on larger time frames. And then what I did, as I spoke about, I came in here. It's still called 1 hour change. Of course, name it whatever you want. But all I did was I switched this time frame to daily. So we are now looking at the largest and sorting top down by what on this scanner has had the largest daily gain. So now, while scanning for swing trade opportunities, I can see, hey, well, what's bounced the most today? And I can look at things like, well, ABIO is testing a sort of high resistance band here. Maybe I'm interested above that. CISS, this is just a big kind of ugly gapper. CADL giving you a nice bounce today. IBIO trying to come out of its fade. And then you could also take it the other way. Okay, well, what is really strong but having a very weak day today, PRZO, we have of course now sorted it from the minimum at the top. You can see some stocks that are on really, really strong runs that are having really big dips now. If maybe you want to try to play these for a reversal, of course, I'm not telling you how you should trade, showing you different opportunities that you can utilize this custom watch list indicator for, though. So that's your multi-time frame custom watch list column to help find you more trade opportunities within ThinkorSwim. Obviously given to you for free in this video. If you'd like to access all of my custom indicators, once again, daytradingstrategies.net. Link at the top of the description. Go use discount code TRADING. We'll see you over there. With all that being said, hit like. Helps me out a lot. Make sure you're subscribed if you're new. I'll catch you all in the next video. Check out this video that YouTube recommends for you on the outro.
Trading stocks. He talks about trading stocks. It's important for you Americans and other international individuals to learn about stocks.